Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to pair your phone to Bluetooth on your BMW E87, E82, E88, E90. Any BMW with the professional radio, which the majority of them that come with a professional radio are the 3 Series and the 1 Series. So it's only going to really apply to them cars only. Now, many of you know you'll have a ULF module in your trunk, or you could have the Bluetooth, which is just connected with a mic to the actual head unit itself, which is what I've got. But either way, connecting to the Bluetooth is exactly the same as it will be regardless of what module you've got in your car. So let's get on to the video. I'm going to show you how to pair your phone to Bluetooth on these cars.
Goddamn, get it done, will ya? When the blow up now, everybody's so unusual with it. Shit. But said times in his rhymes, cause his memories. We running through New York, so you know.
Okay guys, just run through it briefly of you. If you've got a ULF module, it will be located under here where these bolts are, the brackets. You'll have it there, which will be linked obviously to your main head unit at the front, which is your professional radio. This one doesn't have one, but obviously this one does still have Bluetooth because I've retrofitted it, but not with the ULF module. So let's move to the front of the head unit. Okay guys, as you can see here, this car has the BMW professional head unit. Now it did come with a BMW professional head unit when I actually bought it, and that's what was fitted from factory, but this one come with no Bluetooth. Now it would say BMW professional up there. If it does say BMW business, you won't have the Bluetooth. I know many of you will say you've got the Bluetooth button there, which is basically call button, and you've also got the call button on your steering wheel. Does not mean you've got Bluetooth. Now some of the cars do come prepped with Bluetooth already and just need to be coded in, but majority of them do not. If you don't have Bluetooth, I do have a video on my channel showing you how to retrofit in, how to actually code it in, because this one was one of them that didn't come with it. It came with a professional head unit, but no Bluetooth, but now it does. So now I'm going to show you how to pair your phone to Bluetooth. So what you got to do is put the ignition on, and when the radio comes on, you want to hold this button down. Now, when you're on this screen right here, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is click search. Now, if you can see here, when you scroll down, it says Bluetooth devices pairable to ensure functionality. Please use recommended telephone only. Bluetooth name of your vehicle is BMW 27436. So that will be the code we're going to be looking for when we scan it with our Bluetooth. So then what you do is open up your phone, go to your Bluetooth settings, let it search, and then what it will do is find this Bluetooth. Once it's found that Bluetooth number, you just connect to it like I'm going to do right now. And then what will happen is it should flag up a code. So it will tell you to add it. So then you just click add. And now you've got to put in a code manually. So I'll just put 0000 because that's what it usually is on BMW. Click OK. Then you enter that on your device, which you'll see right here. I'm going to enter 0000. Then you just click pair. And it will say Bluetooth pairing successful. And now what you do is go back, you click telephone, and you can see there, it's now connected. Now obviously you'll have all your calls here, you can see all your missed calls, you can click the Bluetooth functionality as well, you can turn the Bluetooth on and off, you can go to help, and you'll be able to make calls and receive calls on the Bluetooth on the system. It's that simple of connecting to this car. There is no different code. All the codes will be the same. You are able to select what code you want to put in on the Bluetooth and just link it with your phone. You don't have to do anything different than I did. And if you do want to retrofit it, it will be exactly the same thing on any of the Bluetooths on the professional radios. You just enter any code, it will connect to it. And that's about it. As I said, I do have videos on my channel showing you how to retrofit this into your car if you don't have Bluetooth, how to change stereo, how to just link it all up. Do make sure though when you do change your head unit, if you do have a most fiber optic port, make sure to buy one with a most fiber optic port because a lot of them do not come with it. And then what will happen is if you have a CD change or anything else in the car, it will not work with this unit that you install. So do be aware of that to make sure you get the exact identical match to the one you're actually removing. And make sure if you've got a most fiber optic port, you buy one with that. A lot of sellers do not tell you that, and they'll sell it just with Bluetooth, and you are receiving it and knowing you don't have a most fiber optic port and it will not work properly. But that is how you pair your phone to the Bluetooth on your E87, E82, E88 and your E90. Okay guys, so as you've seen there, that's how you connect your phone to Bluetooth on your BMW professional head unit. As I said, this does apply for the E82, E88s and the E90s, all the 3 Series and 1 Series cars of this generation, only the E Series only. If you have a professional radio, it's that simple to connect to Bluetooth. There is no different code. I know many of you are gonna ask me, is there a different code? Is yours gonna be different? No, it will not. And as I said, if you do wanna find out if your car has Bluetooth, take the head unit out, it literally takes 5 minutes, and check at the top of the sticker, it should say Bluetooth. If it's already got Bluetooth on the top, it means your car is already prepped for Bluetooth, and all you need to do is actually code it in. A lot of these cars do come prepped with certain things which just need to be coded in from the factory, and if yours has that, you might not even have to buy a new head unit, especially if you do want Bluetooth. But that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video is actually gonna help many of you. There isn't really nothing to actually pairing it to Bluetooth on this car like it is on the E60s or the E63s with the iDrives. These cars are very, very easy to pair. And as I said, even if you've got a module in the boot, it'll be the same way to pair it on your head unit on a professional radio. So thank you very much for watching, guys. It's BMW Dr. Dean here, and goodbye.